how to add a new shipping address on Wix website. First of all, log into your Wix website dashboard, and once you're here, scroll down to this left-hand menu and click on Settings. And here click on Shipping and Fulfillment. To add a new shipping address, click on Add Region, Add Destination, and now select the country or region. You can add multiple location here, and then select how shipping is calculated. I'm selecting here flat rate, and write here the shipping option name, and write here estimated delivery time, and enter here the shipping rate. Now you can enable offer free shipping when a customer buys over a certain amount, and then write here the amount and click on Save. And that's it. This is how we can add a new shipping address on Wix. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. How to 1 minute. See you in the next video.